I'm not able to make sentence in English. Words don't come to mind. Welcome to my lesson, and the lesson today is all about what steps can we do to avoid getting stuck while speaking English. Yes, we face a lot of problems during the formation of sentence in English. Many times we can't find English words while speaking and get stuck. What can we do to eliminate such stuckness? What steps can we do to avoid getting stuck while speaking? Now I will discuss the matter. Overcoming the difficulty of forming sentences in English and recalling words can be challenging, but with consistent practice and the right practice, we can improve our skill. We can overcome this problem by reading and writing more words and using them in sentence. First of all, we can increase the use of simple words that are easy to remember. Without reading too many difficult words, we can read books written for children. We can read articles written in simple language. In addition, we can use more words of the subject we are interested in when writing and speaking, which will expand our English vocabulary as well as the technique of using more words. It will be easier to learn. We also choose a partner to share our thoughts with. We choose a partner who can speak English fluently. Sometimes we need to talk to ourselves. We won't get stuck saying what words, what we are doing, how we feel, what we see around us. We can practice speaking English using simple words. Steps to make sentence and remember words in English. Learn new words. Read simple books. Start with children's book. Use a dictionary. Look up new words and write them down. Flashcard. Make flashcards with new words and review them. Practice speaking. Talk to useful words yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am eating. Find a friend. Practice speaking English with a friend. Record your voice. Listen to your recording and find areas to improve. Use basic grammar. Simple sentence. Use simple structure like I like dogs. She is kind. I am a student. He is going. Practice online. Use website for grammar exercise. Watch and listen. Movies and TV shows. Watch with English subtitles and repeat what you hear. Songs. Listen to English songs and try to sing along. Podcast. Listen to simple English podcast. Write every day. Journal. Write about your daily routine in English. Write about your day in English. Short stories. Write short stories. Simple stories. Social media. Post short updates in English. Join a class. Language classes. Take a beginner's English class. Speaking groups. Join a group to practice speaking. Make word maps. Mind maps. Draw a map of related words. For example, for food, write words like apple, bread, milk. Be consistent. Daily practice. Practice English every day, even for a few minutes. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. Don't give up. Ask for help. Feedback. Ask friends to teachers or teachers to correct your sentence. Online forums. Join forums to ask questions and get advice. By following these steps, you will gradually find it easier to make sentence and remember words in English. Keep practicing and you will improve. Thank you. Thank you very much.